Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to discover the incredible 20 health benefits of mangosteen. So, let's dive right in. Mangosteen is a tropical fruit known for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits. Benefit number 1, it's highly nutritious, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Benefit number 2, mangosteen is a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect your body against oxidative stress and chronic diseases. Benefit number 3, it may help boost your immune system, thanks to its immune-boosting properties. Benefit number 4, mangosteen has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in your body. Benefit number 5, it may improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and promoting cardiovascular function. Benefit number 6, mangosteen is low in calories and can aid in weight loss. Benefit number 7, it's rich in fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system. Benefit number 8, mangosteen has antimicrobial properties, helping fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Benefit number 9, it's packed with vitamins C and E, which are essential for healthy skin. Benefit number 10, it may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, thanks to its powerful antioxidants. Benefit number 11, mangosteen can improve brain health by protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Benefit number 12, it may provide relief from arthritis and other joint-related issues due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Benefit number 13, mangosteen may regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes. Benefit number 14, it can enhance mood and reduce anxiety, thanks to its natural compounds that promote relaxation. Benefit number 15, mangosteen supports healthy vision due to its high levels of vitamins A and C. Benefit number 16, it may improve oral health by fighting off bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease. Benefit number 17, mangosteen can help regulate blood pressure levels, promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Benefit number 18, it has natural anti-allergenic properties that may help alleviate allergy symptoms. Benefit number 19, mangosteen can improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia symptoms. Benefit number 20, lastly, it's delicious. It's a tropical treat that will satisfy your taste buds. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and informative videos.